Error 09 in NEFF dishwashers indicates that the dishwasher is not heating the water, and most likely you have a defective heater. In this video, I will walk you through the process of fixing this problem. To fix this, you need to disassemble the machine to get to the heater and replace it with a new one. Since the heater is located inside the water pump, very often spare parts sites sell a complete pump with heater, which is expensive as a part. Search by the heater number and you will find only the heater as a separate spare part. And then your dishwasher repair will be very cheap. Start by removing all the dish baskets and filters, then put a rag in and soak up the water inside. Now open the side covers on both sides. The water inlet hose will need to be removed, so open the cover at the back and release the cable for the aquastop sensor. The smaller white hose is the water inlet hose. Release the clamp and pull it out towards the back. Some water will leak out. Be prepared to soak it up. Now release the door hinges on both sides. The easiest way is to pull the rope down towards the spring. To make it easier, separate the board at this stage. This is the pump with the heater inside it. You can release it from the rubber holder towards the bottom now. Now we are ready to open the bottom and get to the pump. For this purpose we need to turn the machine upside down and release two plastic clips on both sides. I almost forgot, remove that metal cover on the front under the door. Now we are ready to open the bottom and get to the pump. For this purpose we need to turn the machine upside down and release two plastic clips on both sides. Pull out the leak detection sensor. This is the pump. Release the cables and just pull it out with a slight twist. Here inside the pump is the burnt heater. Open the plastic pins. On some models it is with screws, and remove the heater. Here you can clearly see where the heater is defective. Search for a spare part using the number of the heater itself, order it and replace it with a new one. The easiest way to put the new heater back in is to first place it in the rubber ring on the part that connects to the pump motor. Reassemble the machine in reverse order.